now? This was with the cams and the
branch.
The branch. Okay.
Yeah, the branch.
So that was just with the map, no tune.
No tune.
So now is it currently tuned and then
we must now
compare this one to the one with obviously the tune on. Yo guys, so it's actually still the same day where we fit the SR lip as well as linked up with Dyno. Friend Basil over here, as you guys know, he drives the FN2 with the cams in. So what we are going to do right now is we're going to go have a look at the set of FN2 original wheels, type R, because he has some 19s on and we've been wanting to actually change to a different set of wheels. So we're just going to go have a look at the wheels. The dude does live in Strand. He has some type of workshop. We might not do the swap today, but we're just going to go have a look at it and then take it from there. Okay guys, so we just fitted the new wheels. We're just testing it quickly. Just taking a drive around the block. Okay guys, it seems like everything is intact. We are going to drive home now and then I might just get some cinematics for you guys and show you what the rims it actually is that we got. It is a little bit heavier than the wheels that we had, but it is smaller. Doesn't make sense, but we'll show you guys the wheels tomorrow.
When it's just between display. What's the quickest way to drive now?
Same way.
Same way, is it down here?
Yeah, I think it's right here.
Ascot is at wheels that made this thing so.
Several days later.
So I have my friend Garth here with his Honda Accord that was actually fixed by Phil Parker. I'll show you guys the car in a second. The reason why I'm making this video is because we recently fitted an induction on this car, which I'll be offering you guys as well. So we'll maybe do a few pulls and show you guys what the car sound like. You already did a few pulls for me early on, and I was surprised actually. Like, I never heard an Accord's VTEC actually kick in, but with this induction it actually kicks in. A cool thing about this induction as well is that you don't really have to do a battery relocation as well. We figured a way out where the induction can run using your current battery, so it will be a little bit cheaper than normal. I'll leave my information in the description, and you guys can contact me if you are interested in one of these inductions.
Let's just note that the car is flashed.
Okay, so Garth just mentioned that the car is flashed. So how's that any different?
Look at
The drift's a little bit long, further, no?
Yeah. I'm not too sure about the lift, but I only noticed the lift basically once
Induction is fitted.
on.
Yeah, and that would obviously be the case if an induction is on. It's obviously breathing a little bit better, and the lift will obviously kick in better or louder or more noticeably, I would say. So yeah, this car has no exhaust on, just the induction, and we'll do a few pulls for you guys and just show you what the differences are. We're actually at the roadworthy center, because he obviously needs to roadworthy the car. I'm not quite sure if he's going to keep this car or sell it. I think he said he's going to keep it, but yeah, we're at the roadworthy section right now. I'll maybe just show you guys this process as well for you guys that are not in South Africa or in Cape Town, for example. Okay guys, so this is what the induction looks like that I'll be selling. This I've sold to my friend Goth. He installed it himself. You might think why it looks a little bit different. He has a J35 throttle body on and an FN2 intake, so that is why this is a little bit different, and I had to make use of this. However, if you do buy the induction, you will get a silicone hose that goes over here, as well as we will maybe reroute this maybe downwards so that it's not that visible, and then you get a filter with it as well. So yeah guys, please make contact with me if you are interested in this type of setup. Like I mentioned, it doesn't even need a battery relocation. You can run the setup just so on your stock CL9 Accord. We're just going to go to the dyno quickly. We're just going to do a power run. The reason for that is because I think in the video before this I might have shown another dyno run that was only with a map on. So Daryl actually tuned the car yesterday, Daryl from Clown Performance, as well as there's some other mods added to the car as well. There's a branch that Ziadpool also sold Basil. So there is a few mods on the car. What I also do want to maybe do with this whole build is for every part that is going to be added to the car, every modification, I'm going to try to add a dyno run, or like, how can I just say, just to show that the power gains the car makes for every mod. So yeah, we're gonna head over to the dyno right now, and then maybe on our way to the dyno, maybe just show you guys a few rips on our way till there as well. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I just arrived to Legends dyno or workshop. There's actually a few parts that's laying here. Just thought I'd share this with you guys. This is also a turbo over here. The owner actually asked me if I would like to do a video on the yellow lift pack. I think most likely it's gonna be 2JZ. I know they are actually known for 2JZ swaps, etc. Funny thing is, Basil actually had a turbocharged box shape Toyota as well. It was first supercharged and then turbocharged. It was like way back. But anyway, there's a 20 valve now on the dyno, and then I think Basil's car will go on there afterwards. So I might just show you guys some dyno runs of the 20 valve as well. And then also let me know if you guys are interested in actually seeing more of the yellow lift pack. I remember this car from way back, and it's cool to actually see it right now. I think it has like a new spray job, etc. And then it also has, I think the rim is called Kitana. I think it's called a Kitana. It's like very aerocorrect, like that time when these cars were popular. That was actually a cool rim and it matches the car as well. But yeah, I might just do a full build series because I think they're rebuilding the whole car, and I'll have some more information with regarding that in future as well. But yeah, let me show you guys some dyno runs. So 166 is when you first got the car, no?
No.
What's it?
That's when first time I came here, first time.
Okay, so that was first time. Okay, that was just exhaust and no induction on it, no?
Yeah, Anis's induction.
Anis's induction. Okay, and then what was the next one? What was that? So what was added onto that one? Do you remember?
Okay. No exhaust. No. What was added?
It was just a back box, I think it was added or something.
The exhaust and the induction, plant performance induction.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And the intake.
And the intake, yeah, the skunk to intake. Okay, and then after that,
This one was the cam.
so the cams. This was just with a map on, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then where's the one with 180 something? That's the one. So what was this now? This was with the cams and the
branch.
branch. Okay.
Yeah, the branch.
So that was just with a map, no tune.
No tune. Yeah.
So now is it currently tuned, and
You
then
must now compare this.
compare this one to the one with obviously the tune on.
So net check, hy is around about net for 7,000. Check net waar het is daar.
So what is the black one? Is the black one the previous?
No, the red one is the previous one.
One. And that was the 181, no?
No.
The
one before this.
Oh, the 187. Okay guys, so there you have it. Like I mentioned previously, I think it was 181. That was just with a normal map on, but with Daryl tuning the car yesterday, I think the car obviously gained a little bit more kilowatts as well. So yeah, I think we might even, I'm not sure when it's going to be, but we did get a 90mm clown performance induction as well, and there's also going to be J35 throttle body on the car, or going to be fitted on the car. So I think the induction is most likely going to be put on when we get the J35 as well, so that is up and coming as well. It will probably be in the next video, or it might just be in this video.